Hello, this is Ken. Hope you're well. In this video, I'm reading aloud some text and I want you to evaluate my English and rate my English like out of 10. So feel free to correct me, throw your opinion and give me your feedback. Topic: my experience learning English. I have been learning English for a while and I really enjoy the process. At first, it was difficult for me to understand native speakers because they speak so fast. However, I have been practicing by watching films, listening to podcasts, and having conversations with friends. Sometimes I make grammar mistakes and my pronunciation isn't perfect, but I'm improving step by step. My goal is to speak English fluently and naturally. I would love to hear your feedback on my English. Do you think I sound natural? What areas should I improve? Topic: my favorite season. My favorite season is autumn. I love the cool weather, the colorful leaves, and the cozy feeling that comes with it. During autumn, I enjoy taking walks in the park and watching the leaves change from green to bright red, orange, and yellow. It's also the time when I drink my favorite hot drinks like coffee and tea. What do you think of my English? Do you have any suggestions for improvement? That's it, I'm expecting your feedback. I'll see you in the next video, and if you like me, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Stay healthy and hydrated. Cheers!